edge that I can have. One of the edges I see from Martinez is that cut that could be re-agitated.
Right now, Martinez not getting close enough to do any damage to that cut. Not getting close enough to punch, really.
And he's a hook fighter. He's not a straight ahead fighter. Martinez is more of a brawler, a roughhouse fighter. He wants to make this a brawl.
One problem for him,
Jeremy is more schooled.
Well, he can't seem to cut the ring off at all. Jeremy moves around in a circle. You see, Gilbert just follows him around
at the wrong distance, staying at the wrong distance, looking to land that one hot shot punch. Martinez.
Right hand knocks Martinez sideways again at the bell.
The core of sports burns a blistering inferno of it.
Weeknights at 10:30, it's the last word with Jim Rome. Rome telling it like it is. The last word with Jim Rome, weeknights at 10:30, right here on Fox Sports Net.
Watch it, break it back up.
This is round 7 of a 10-round fight. Jeremy Williams on his bike much of the last round. Still won the round, I believe. Just kind of waiting on Martinez to charge at him. Now in a situation where it looks as though Williams could do virtually anything he wants.
I thought that Williams made a conscious decision, basically, in changing his style. He kind of really let it all hang out in the early going for a knockout. When it didn't come, he just he like set himself up for the long haul.
Williams continues his dialogue with the referee here.
And at times, too, you have to let your opponent percolate a bit. When he's not ready to go, you use those probing shots early in a fight. If he's ready to go, it's over. If not, don't punish him a little while, let him percolate, and then bring in the heavy shots toward the end of the fight. We're at the 7th round. By the 7th round, you see the 10-round distance, and you try to pick it up a bit, as Jeremy's doing.
Now Williams opens up, and Martinez just about ready to go. Took a step back, took a deep breath, good shot to the body by Williams. Now Martinez ties him up, and the starch has gone from Martinez.
Lancing
those body punches.
Let go of him. All right,
Lancing blows don't seem to get the job done against Martinez. You got to land solid. And even that isn't enough necessarily.
These kind of fighters like Martinez are so difficult to look good against. Martinez just wants to make it a brawl. And Jeremy's a pretty fighter, as I've said before. He grew up in the amateurs. He had so many amateur titles and done a great job as a pro. 38-4, 34 KOs. And he's a fighter who's more of a school fighter. 2 banged heads right there.
Yeah,
not a factor.
Blood, well, there is for Martinez.
Martinez head, no. Jeremy's head.
And he's got a big cut over the left eye. Big cut over the left eye. One that I would think may stop this fight.
Let go, break.
He is, Williams, you mentioned that amateur career. He's in the Golden Gloves Hall of Fame. He was so successful in that regard. But I don't think that's really what he wants to be known as. And I think that's the reason for this second career.
Low blow.
Let's go.
The cut over the left eye is a nasty cut. And I'm guessing they'll take a good long look at that between rounds here.
Back up. Let's go. Break. Let go. Don't punch. Let's go.
10 seconds left, round 7.
Martinez really took a beating in this round. For the first time since the first 2 rounds, he took a real pummeling.
You're losing your hair, and you haven't ordered Avicor yet?
Time out here while they looked at the cut over the eye of Gilbert Martinez, and the doctor and the referee have determined that he can go on, but in his corner they were saying, and I'm paraphrasing, throw punches.
They said they're going to stop the fight if he doesn't start throwing punches, get those gloves moving. They want him to punch back and not get hit so much. Move your head.
Well, they really read the riot act, basically, Tony. He's got a punch.
Get out of there, number 1.
I think they could have stopped the fight between rounds. You see Jeremy Williams just loading up. Martinez really had no answer for him, and the blood was flying everywhere. We got splattered here at ringside, in fact, by the blood of Gilbert Martinez.
And it immediately starts flowing from the nose again here as we start the 8th round. Williams sensing the end is close, jumping on Martinez. I don't think they'll go too far with this fight. What do you guys think?
No, Jeremy cannot allow it to go too far now. What Martinez is going to try to do is hold on, tie up, do everything he can to survive. Look at this. Look at this from Martinez. It's up to Jeremy Williams to put punches together, punching combinations, pull those hands out, and punch. Like right here, your right hand's free, punch. Oh, referee said break.
Martinez unable to really get anything cranking here, and a lot of blood from the nose of Martinez. The cut over the eye has not started bleeding again. Combination of big left hand by Williams, right hand behind him, and another right and a left and an uppercut.
I'd like to see him stop the fight right now. This guy could get hurt.
They're going to see how close the referee is.
Yeah, he's
looking as close and he should be.
He's getting hit some very, very hard punches, and he's got such a good chin he doesn't go down. And these are the guys who get hurt, the guys who don't go down when a normal man would.
Break clean, back up.
Cut on the bridge of the nose of Martinez also.
Time up, Gil. Time up.
As a right hand that caught Martinez lunging.
Break up, break. Let's go.
Boxing can be brutal to watch.
Gilberto Martinez just does not know how to punch back, fire back and lay rounds, how to get his breath. Your breath is impeded by your nose being full of blood.
I think Williams said something to the referee. I don't think he feels much like hitting Martinez in the head anymore with all that blood.
He's asking the referee, pleading with the referee to stop the fight.
I think he's pleading with Martinez to give it up too.
Punch the hand, break, back up.
Now Martinez is a warrior, but I think, Rich, your point is well taken. Sometimes warriors go out on a shield. This is the 8th round, still 2 rounds to go in this fight. Martinez not offering very much, and Williams just having his way. Even now, look at Williams' hands at his sides. Did take a right hand from Martinez, but he's convinced Martinez cannot hurt him now. Martinez will get through the 8th round. And I guess the question you have to ask is why?
The beauty of boxing.
Yeah, in this case,
Pay a price.
not the sweet science, is it?
How you feel, Joe? Spit this out.
Well, at this point, it's just a wipeout, basically. So, and Gilbert Martinez has no chance to win this fight.
Gil, you want to keep going? You know that. All right, but they do it. Listen.
Right, you heard the referee.
I want to keep going. Dr. Paul Wallace in that corner, the last round out. Cut on the bridge of the nose, cut on the left eye, underneath the eyebrow, over the eye. I'll tell you, Jeff Ruff has done a wonderful job on that cut over the eye. The blood from inside the nose is a problem because you can't get to those cuts. You can't coagulate it.
Yeah, he really has, though. The cut over the eye, which I thought would stop the fight, did not bleed in the last round. We come to round 9 now.
Well, Jeff is a veteran cut man. He's been around the boxing game a long time and knows how to cease that bleeding, even if he has to put a tourniquet around the guy's neck.
Don't push.
That's why they call him Jeff Ruff.
Let go of the hand.